So presentation 2 is about the scope of statistics, meaning what, where do we actually apply statistics, in which fields? As we shall later know that we can apply statistics in different fields. I don't think there is any field that does not apply any kind of statistics, whether it is psychology, economics, healthcare, a lot. Okay, so let us look at this discussion. Okay, statistics has a long history, and statistics has been used as a tool in politics and in basically managing societies. So this actually includes issues to do with how policies are formulated, how they are implemented, and things like that. Issues to do with elections, opinion polls, all these things actually require statistics. So that is why statistics is applied in politics, issues to do with management of societies, whether it is we are talking about statistics in healthcare, statistics in economics, statistics in human resource management, all these different fields, business, everything we have statistics in there. Okay, so statistics in business. If you're managing a business, definitely you need to know a number of statistics. Or statistical, you need to know statistical data about yourselves, the demographic characteristics of the customers that are coming to your shop. If it is a clinic or a hospital, you need to know the demographic characteristics of your clients. Okay, if you have not yet started a business, you need to understand the potential, the number of clients that you are likely to get if your business kicks up. And then if your business is already running, you need to know whether you are performing well or not. You need to make comparisons with your competitors and see how you can see your standing in relation to their own standing. That is, if that data is actually available to you, or if you got the clients, you still understand whether you, your penetration into the market is actually at level with your competitors. And then economics, again, with economics, we are dealing with how, let us say at the national level, the services, the total services and goods that you are producing as a country. You want to know how many people are employed, how many people are not employed on average, people earn how much, a lot of questions that you can answer when you use statistics in economics, whether to do with the economic activities that are taking place, whether it is to do with foreign exchange. A number of parameters are very important. Still, we have statistics in economics. Statistics in science. When we talk about science, we talk about astronomy, geology, chemistry, meteorology. All the things still depend on data. Natural sciences, medicine, botany, zoology, biology, still you have there. Medicine, nursing, dental surgery, all these ones can be termed as health sciences, but they still fall under sciences. So whatever you can categorize them, still you need statistics in there. And statistics is cross-cutting, okay? That is what we have known. And statistics is actually one of the tools of conducting research. So especially quantitative research. And then statistics in management and technology, that is STEM, you apply still sciences, statistics. Okay, and then here we have mentioned about computers. Okay, computer sciences, the different computer tools that we can use for handling data. And in this case, we're talking about SPSS, regression models. All these help in data analysis and their computer tools. And then in banking, still available. You want to know, you want to project projection of of returns, issues to do with interest calculations, issues to do with forecasting, seeing what will happen in the nearby future and things like that, and using financial data to make decisions. Statistics is not a magic bullet. We have seen that we can apply statistics almost in every field, but it does not solve everything. Okay, so what are the things that statistics cannot do? One is that statistics cannot tell us about certain attributes such as honesty and intelligence. Yes, we may assign some figures to these characteristics or parameters, but these numbers may not actually precisely tell us uh, what we are dealing with. Okay, and then the second one is that a single number does not tell the whole story. We know that, and we are saying that statistics is not very important for individual cases. Okay, because we need to deal with different data sets and then we come up with a conclusion. So it doesn't work that way. Results are approximate and not 100% accurate. Actually, statistics is about making good estimates. So by the time you make these estimates, are these estimates the right estimates that we are talking about? That's the other limitation. And then the data may not be uniform. Sometimes you have errors in this data, but how do you handle errors in data? So even if you actually handle these errors in this data accurately, still you will not have, appropriately, you still have the issues to do with whether your accuracy is actually what is expected. Okay, so we deal with estimates and we are not always 100% sure. Okay, statistics sometimes is actually hated by people. And then since it is hated by people, it's likely that people who are very good in statistics can use statistics to manipulate other people who hate statistics. So that's the problem. So statistics can be used to distort results.